Right, game is a symbol. Game is a symbol.
Game is a symbol.
Game is assembled.
I'm actually invisible right now. Oh, what?
Who's I am a homosexual?
Who's what? That sounds offensive.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it does.
Name. I am a homosexual. Company name. Slave Corp. Creepy Uncle. Lobus Jr. Me in 2 years. Beethoven. His head is a sodding tic-tac! This is a YouTube Let's Play. And this is what I want to be. I'm a female. Oh no! Oh my god, I didn't even consider that there was another sex. Can gamers please assemble for this hole? Is Curry Puffs assembling? Oh, Parboys!
Did he fucking make it in?
I actually got it in. The hole is actually underneath the hole, so you can just go around.
Is it?
Yeah, that's not the hole.
Oh, serious?
Yeah. In the gaming world, we call that a troll. I wonder if I'm gonna get banned from Twitch because those words were on the screen for half a second. Digital game, joining friends game. Oh, why? You can't show that on the stream! Cover that up!
What?
Cover that up! You can't show that on the stream? Fucking
it's
Trackmania Stadium Edition.
Shit.
It's fucking pachinko. Korea is not real. Oh,
There we
what?
go, 30. I'll take it.
What is this monstrosity? We're in the whirlpool.
Jump the fucking...
Has anyone got it yet?
Yeah, we've all got it.
I haven't
We've
got
all
it.
figured it out. Don't do it. I told you not to do it.
Oh, how do you tick?
Press one button.
That sounds really easy.
How do you do that? How do you up smash out of shield that? Is that a thing?
You're gonna up smash everything out of shield. Up smash is like frame 7 or something stupid.
What a fucking nerd.
Hi, I'm SSBM Kira.
Fuck that dude! Whoa, where'd you go? Oh god! We have an SFAT gamer god in the fucking game right now. Ah, trick!
How do you double laser?
Press B twice.
Press B twice. What the fuck? I just got destroyed. No! Okay, so here's things that we
I can't
both...
see the screen.
My controller's dusty. Part of a streamer's job is to interact with the chat and make friendly conversation during downtime. Let's check the chat. I don't know how to drive. What? What?
That was really lame.
No, I think it was epic. Game's a
I
symbol.
think it was lame.
Good sweet spot. I'm gonna punish all your random mistakes so you never make them again. Ow, alright. Don't let me dash dance. Just don't. God, this game is great. What is this? Oh no, I'm in the wrong lane. And I just turned the engine off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, can you all introduce yourself one by one to the Twitch stream, please?
Hi, I'm gay.
Is that a good strat? Oh, it's not. Damn. I trusted you, Lockie.
Why?
Me and Ellen are as bad at the game as each other. Except somehow he has more points than me.
More points.
One less points.
You know, Homer,
up.
the traditional way to cheat at golf is to lower your score. Okay, go-to sandwich ingredients.
Pachinko.
Go to sandwich ingredients. Go. Quick.
Pastrami.
Yep.
Dude, this is the worst.
That's not a sandwich ingredient, Alan.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. You can't say lettuce.
Grab my-
Okay, so we got a fried chicken, watermelon, pineapple, lettuce sandwich. I love how the animation is like not synced very well, so it just goes over the hole and then goes backwards into the hole.
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
that's
he's got the right idea.
was quite daring of you to immediately go down there when there's a ramp right in front of you.
Oh, fuck, man.
Me and Alan are gonna take the high road. Oh fuck. Oh, what the fuck? I save. Oh, you saved yourself. Oh shit! Oh, but then I won. Oh, thank you, friend. One move. Frame one. Oh, what? Oh my god, Martha's literally Chris Angel.
You're just jumping up in the air and kneeing.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Fuck. That's so hard. Found in this place that is circling all around the sun. When we meet on a cloud, I'll be laughing. Now shut up! I'll be laughing with everyone that I see. To believe how strange it is to be anything at all. Oh. And we're good. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, and everything's fine. Yeah. 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 Oh my god! Okay, what's the kookiest driving angle? Oh my god! No, the game is crashing as I'm crashing. It's cinematic view. This is awful. It's a red light. I don't care. I can't see it. It doesn't exist. It's yellow. Yeah, baby. Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's a turn. Holy shit, I'm doing so well. Oh, this is so hard. Oh no. Are we home yet? Osnabrück. We've made it to Osnabrück. What was that? 127.
Ah! See, I hate doing that. How'd you know?
I don't know.
Watch
Game,
this,
man.
lads.
So what's everybody's favorite gun? Let's
Who's
go.
I'm a homosexual?
That's me.
It's just Sonic the Hedgehog too.